Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond76 Home Decor on a budget. And for today's video, I'm finally bringing you my centerpiece that I did create. I did do a haul on everything that I have right here. What I'll go ahead and do is link that haul up here. I think it's on this side. And so that way you can see where I did get everything from. But I will go ahead and mention where I did get everything from in this video, if I can remember. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, what I did was, I created this centerpiece because I wanted something to go over my mantle on my fireplace, and you will see a candle right there that I need to remove. And I wanted to keep it simple. Let me move back a little bit more so you can see how long my fireplace is. I wanted to keep everything simple. I did not want to overdo this. I wanted to also keep it as neutral as possible. And I think that it came out absolutely perfectly. Now, let me explain what I did do. Now, starting right here, and I'm going to leave this for last, what I did do was I switched out the vase that I originally had up here, which was shorter. It was about like right there. And I brought in a taller vase. What I also did was I changed the mirror that I had back here originally when I did my living room tour from black to silver. And I got this from the at-home store. And if I am not correct, if I'm correct, I think I paid maybe $30–40 for this mirror, if I can remember. And look how tall this mirror is. And you all know that I have my stores that I go to to get certain items from, and going to the at-home store to get a mirror was awesome, was a blessing, because I love the mirrors at the at-home store. They offer a wide range of mirrors in different colors and tones that you can get from there. Okay, let me move on. I'm talking too much. Now, this right here I already had. Let me look at the other one to see if I think I got these from Burlington's. Okay, and I can tell you the price. It was $9.99. Okay. And I have one on this side as well. Also, with these vases right here, they were blue. And I spray painted them white because I wanted to bring and still incorporate white, silver, and gold into my living room, because my wall is a gray with a blue undertone. It was called Shadow something. I cannot remember. But back to this right here. What I did was, and I think I got these candle holders from Burlington as well. I think I did. And these candles right here, I already had. I thought that there would be a price. Wait a minute. The candle holders were $9.99, and I just got these. Now, these candles I already had, and they're called Creamy Coconut. When I say these candles smell good, these candles smell good. I love the ombre effect of the candles, because right here it starts white, then it gets a little bit more grayer, cream color, and then goes down into gray with a marble look and a marble texture and effect. Now, this right here, I kept on here, and since I touched it, it wants to fall. So let's go back over here to this one. I kept this on here because I love the medallion-like looking on here. And I kept the creamy coconut sign on here as well, because I liked it. I thought it gave it a cute look to it. So now to this right here, I got this pumpkin from Macy's yesterday, Macy's Backstage. And this was $16.99, and you know it took me all the strength in the world not to get two of these, but I only needed one, so I was only sticking to the one that I needed. Everything else right here, except for the tray that came from Burlington's, all of the arrangements that I do have in here came from the at-home store. Now, I wanted to get two, as I said in that haul video, that I wanted to get two bundles, and that's what I call it, of these blush pink flowers, but I was unable to find only one. Now, if you want to, what I could also do, I can switch these out to white if I want to. But for right now, I'm going to see how this is going to look as I come up the stairs or walk into this room. I love the blush pink because it just gives me that pop of color in a room that is so neutral. Okay, and I wanted to warm up this fireplace by bringing in the color, the blush pink flowers that you see right here. Also, these are called picks, these leaves right here. All I did was just bend the stem and just stick it in like that, and it went all the way around. I also kept the leaves on these flowers right here. I kept them on because I still wanted to bring out or add a little bit more green in this, even though the leaves on here are green. And what this is attached to a garland. It was one long string of these leaves right here, these berries right here, and the leaves. Now, it came, like I said, in a string, but it was bendable, okay? Because it was bendable, I started with this first as my base. All I did was just bend it into a circle and just placed it in the tray, and I had an opening in the middle so that way I could be able to put in my pumpkin. I did not want to get this in picks, even though the picks would have been big enough, but I wanted to wrap the garland completely around the tray, you know, on the end of the tray. And let me see if you can see it. See, you can see the where the garland, let me see. I can't see. No, you can't see it. That's a leaf. But like I said, I wanted, oh, wait a minute. Here you go. See, you see it right here? That is the stick that was attached to the garland. And I'm going to have to manipulate that a little bit more so you won't be able to see it. But I purposely kept that like that so that way you can see it. Like I said, I just thought that having this in the front right here, the flowers on the side. Now, because I did not have enough flowers, I'm glad really that I didn't, because I probably would have stuck them like one right here just all the way around. But I'm glad that I left this open right here. And as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I just stuck that last one behind here, so that way that when you walk up to this, like I'm looking, okay, you see it in the mirror, like I'm looking at it. If someone walks up to this, they won't see a big gap or a big opening back there. So that's the reason why I stuck the flower back there. And another reason why I use the blush pink is because of the leaves that are on, that were on the garland as well. So I thought that because of the berries, the yellow, and the slight hint of pink that it's on the berries, I just thought that these flowers would be absolutely perfect with this centerpiece. Okay, now like I said, if you want to, if you feel like it's too much for you, then you can change this out to use white flowers if you want to. And I may still do that to see how it will look. And Again, the reason why I brought the gold pumpkin is because I want to maintain combining or mixing the silver with the gold, and it is absolutely plausible to do that, because with the leaves up here I have a mixture of gold and silver as well, and I just refuse to take those leaves down. Oh, excuse me. I refuse to take these leaves down right here because it drapes over the mirror how I like that. And at first I thought that the centerpiece was going to clash with that, but I like it. I really do. I like the different colors. Even though they're still neutral, I still love the combination of the colors with the centerpiece that I have right here. And my mantle, as you can see, obviously, it is white. And down here is painted in white. This is an electric fireplace. But I just thought that my main color is the silver, okay? And I just wanted to bring in the hint of gold to be mixed in with the silver. And I just, I'm absolutely loving this. Now, even though this is a mirrored tray, I could not find another tray that suited my need to go up here on my mantle. It's kind of like, I kind of thought maybe it would be a waste of money to buy because it has a mirror on the bottom of it, but I needed something to fit what I was looking for, and I needed this to be open. I did not want this to be closed, and I did not want to use wood. I wanted to use silver in the centerpiece. So this is the centerpiece that I did do, and this is how I chose to decorate my fireplace, my mantle on my fireplace. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed my centerpiece that I did do. Please check out my haul if you want to know everything, where I got everything from, especially the prices, okay? The garland, now I do remember the price on that was $19, I think, $19.99. I do remember that. So, and this pumpkin was $16.99. And these candle holders were from Burlington, and they were $9.99. And I did tell you the price of that. I can't remember the price of the vases because I've had, knowing me, let me see something. Let me see if I can. Yeah. Okay. The vase was. Okay, the vase was, these vases were $16.99, and like I said, they were blue or purple, and I spray painted them white. What a difference a spray can of paint will do. And let me go ahead and end this video. And again, I'm sorry that you had to see my pink phone case, but I wanted to make sure that you could see what I saw, and I just really wanted to make sure that it wasn't too bright or too dark where you could not see everything. As far as I'm concerned, I am happy with this. I think it still fits in with my taste, my style, because like I said, I still was able to bring in the silver. My glam, girls, my glam. But let me go ahead and end this video. Again, my name is Diamond76, home decor on a budget. No matter where you are in the world, day or night, I hope that you are having a good day or a good night. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I think I did that with this. Okay. If you also would like to join me on my Instagram channel, please join me at Diamond2872. I would love to have you on my Instagram as well. And I think that is it. Yeah. Oh, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell for any video uploads or any video notifications. If you're an old subscriber returning to my channel, thank you, and I really appreciate you returning. Well, I do consider you my friends, and I thank my friends for coming back to watch my video. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching my video, and bye-bye.